Shit.
What is this guy doing? Are you crazy? Too much money, too few fucking brains. How about you leave the extra chromosomes at home next time, you fucking moron?
Bravo. Well said.
What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing, dude? This is one way. One way! Go back, bro! Turn that way! Oh my fucking god, mate. Bloody crazy. Holy fucking shit.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh, Lord have mercy.
Stupidity! Stupidity!
Come back Friday. And we'll do that.
Spend more money. Yes. Hello, Scotty.
No. Are you serious? What the fuck are you doing? Change lanes! Come on! Come on! Come on! Fucking hell!
Oh yes, don't worry about a double line, it's not oh look, even cars are coming the other way, you guys are idiots.
Has a plan, so our jobs can come back. We're supporting businesses to hire more staff, encouraging more training to give people the skills they need to get a job.
Yep. What's the Prado doing?
Come out and get tested. Any of no contact with any of those. A cricket update. Koala furniture is about as comfy as
Don't worry about that red light. It's just, it's only a red light.
Resident on the northern beaches. I want to hear from you this morning on 131873.
Fucking unbelievable. Don't worry about the red lights, will you? Unbelievable.
Have you been lining up to get a test?
Let's do a U-turn over a double line, why not? Fucking idiot. What are we doing, shit fucking? What part of no stopping don't we understand, shit fucking?
Miami in the US, is that correct?
Yes, I'm obviously from Slovenia. Obviously resident. I trained in Chilora, but all my camps are in the US. I've been in Miami for the last 5 years. Doing great work,
Fucking
doing
retard.
everything, and getting the body. Very strong leads on who we think he might be, and to that end we certainly encourage him to present himself at a police station so he can further assist us with the investigations.
Nah, fuck ya, dickhead.
It's a red light, you fuckwit.
Ah, you're fucked up. Ah, you're fucked up.
你係喎，係啊，坐到啦，啱啱對面，哇，我都係同黨嚟嘅，仲要咁樣扯喎，係啊，我就係快嘅。
Fucking idiot.
唔俾咁多人聚啊，係好嘅。屌你聚埋一齊啊，出事啊，夠煩。
Whoa.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
This thing caps people, no scope, from about 100 yards, one shot. This one here will take 3. So I handed that to my character and he's just like, oh, I see you got a sniper rifle. Dickhead.
And he had the nerve to flip me off.
Yeah.
Fuck off! Fuck off! Fucking going to burn me, man! Fuck you, mate! Fuck, see that, man? You can? Fucking shit driver!